Hi everyone, thank you for visiting my channel. In this episode, it's part 2 for our trip to Maine State. I just wanted to share and I hope you like this video. Thank you everyone for watching. I really appreciate all of you. Bye-bye. So this is the Kenny Bangford gift shop. So let's go check it out. Smells good here. Oh, I like this cup.
Oh, that's cute.
I
Oh
know.
my gosh, look at this.
Oh, it's almost like same price. And they have lots of yeah, like Augusta. How much is this? 14. This one is cute. Nice. What is this? Reseal your wine. Lots of cups. Oh, look at this. The candle. Very nice. Oh, look! Look, oh. Oh. Diba? Ang ganda. Para ka lang nasa, ano. Nice. Very nice. Dai, that's a love store gift shop. It's not a restaurant. Okay, that's the love store. Wow, lots of chocolate and candies.
Possible to mix, like, yes. Oh, it's a fly. Oh no.
Wow, $2 for $24. Lots of candies.
See him? See where he went? I don't know. Can I have the milk cashew? Yes, how many? I want them please. Like, yeah, but how many milk? One?
This one is sugar free.
Really? How many pieces in one pound?
Oh, this one is how much? 9 piece, $3.15. It's expensive. Really?
I haven't done anything yet. I'm waiting for you. So you want a 12 pound, 1 pound that I would need. How many milk tushies? 2. Okay. And milk pecan. Try to do it on my own. Not knowing that this is you.
Oh, so this is I have 3 different types of Moscato. I have
Oh, that one, the red
half
one.
bottle, the red one.
Yes, that
Okay,
one. Those are good
perfect.
one.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome, of course, no problem.
You don't have look in a blue bottle, right?
Nothing in blue bottles.
Okay.
No.
But those one are good, Dai.
Yes.
Oh, andyan pala yung middle name ko, oh. La Luna. Luna. I think that's like a gift shop. Like gift shops. They have like Maine and Vine. Maybe mamaya sa dinner mag-wine tayo. Tingnan muna natin doon, baka meron dito. Oh, ma-enjoy pa natin yung view. Maybe there's more here and then we can just enjoy the view while drinking, no?
Tama ka talaga na ng bahay niya.
Yeah, diba? So, ayan. Doon yung bahay ni W. Bush, President. So, magmula dyan, papunta doon. Yan yung bahay niya. Dito siya nakatira dati. Kaya bawal dito yung drone. So, mag-check-in na kami. Ito yung room namin. 220. Okay. So, yan ang room. Ayan. Table desk in there. Television. And then, tingnan nyo. Aray ko, haggard. So, here's the bathroom. Ayan. Tapos may bathtub dyan. Okay. So, ayan na ang lighthouse. Dinayo namin ito, ha? Ohio, from Ohio to Maine. Ito ang dinayo namin. Dinayo namin yan, lighthouse na yan. Muntik na akong magluha.
Naligaw na.
Ito pa naman ang pinakalas na naming dapat gagawin. Tapos hindi lang namin makikita ang lighthouse. Ayan na! Nandito na kami sa sa Cape Elizabeth. Andito yung isa, oh. Day! Look! Hoy! Oh my God, she makes me always nervous. Look at her. Oh, diba? Ang saya-saya.
It's cold.
I know, but look at me. I'm just like wearing Oh, diba? At least.
Ang ganda kaya.
One of our bucket list na, no? Oh my gosh. We're so happy talaga na finally na nandito na. Ay, naku, ayun. So, Alright. See you later. Magbibideo-video na kami at saka magpipicture-picture na rin. Okay. Bye-bye. Hindi ko alam na may hiking din pala din dito.
Sandal
Ano
na.
to, main? Puros hiking?
Ano ba to? Stone or wood? Like a log? No, it looks like a log. But it is not.
So, ayan. Pinaghandaan niya talaga yan. Nag-gown-gown yan talaga siya para dito sa lighthouse. Aray ko. Oh, ha? Huwag na kasi kayong makialam. Kasi ganyan talaga kami mag-trip. Oh, biruin nyo, galing pa kami ng Ohio, nag-trip kami ng 15 hours. Para lang dyan sa lighthouse na yan. At itong mga view. Look at this. Oh. Diba? Oh. No one can beat this view. Yeah. So this is the a lighthouse in Cape Elizabeth here in Portland, Maine. Okay. So we're gonna go here behind this castle. Dito kami kakain. Dali. Thank you so much. That's a lobster roll. French fries and coleslaw. This is the mayonnaise. You know, the lobster roll is more, masarap sa Boston. Yeah. But it's really good.
Eggs have a lot of protein. Or do something. Hintara pa nila yung kanilang guest. Walang ice, okay lang ba?
Basta malamig.
Nilagay ko sa freezer. Ayun lang yun. Malamig. Oh, kalahati kagad.
Alright, here we go.
Ha?
Dito kami. Magiinom kami ng...
It's the French, it's Fitzy,
Oh, Day.
and the new guy.
Asa na yung wine natin? Mag-inom na tayo ng wine.
Para inom.
Time is.
Sa anong klase ng wine na yan? Ipakita natin dito.
Alright, turn off your cell
Ano yan?
phones. Fitzy's
Shit,
got the chicken.
ano si Moscato. Moscato de Asti.
Asa na? Hindi ko makita. Ayan.
Ada.
Ayan. Sige na. Ba, pinicture mo pa?
Oh, pinicturean ko na.
Oo, dali na. Cheers na. Cheers!
Cheers! For a better future.
for the better future.
Mm.
Heck you think this is?
Cheers for another
Blows my mind. Have you got a camera?
Travel.
What the heck?
travel.
For another travel.
Aspen, Colorado.
Yeah, here we go!
Utah.
Oh, ha? Sige. Mm.
These two, these
In God's will. Diba?
Lasing na kami, hindi pa nga nakainom.
Ayan, patulog na kami. I-video kita na nandyan ka mag-isa. O, ayan. O, tag-isa kami ng dito, ng bed. O, siya doon. Siya doon. Ako dito. O.
Video tayo, Ulitin ko nga.
Automatic weapon.
Okay.
Nagpa-beauty. Kagagaling lang namin kagagaling lang namin mag-dinner.
Tamis.
Because here, in
Matamis
this
pa sa
country,
Ang dinner ko is lobster roll. Hindi
get a
pwedeng,
life sentence.
hindi ako,
Lobster.
yes.
Sami ya. Ingatin na.
Ayan.
Where is the time?
So bukas, last day namin almusal kami doon sa
Search randomly
Ewan ko,
for calls
anong
made from the
pangalan nun?
807
Kung
phones
bakit?
allowed in this area. The narrower the
Kwan,
area.
Kwandukit.
Would you see
Parang-
that service is what you're gonna
Kwandukit.
get. Yeah, why-
Pasensya na po kasi mahirap i-pronounce eh.
Just the one phone up. Where?
Pag in-upload ko at
Smile. Going to bed.
ang tagal.
The buyers are there.
Pasok na naman.
You know, direct contact with your guys would have its advantages.
Alright,
like
you're
that.
off to bed.
This
It's
is unbelievable.
10
Who put the cameras in this
o'clock.
place?
Okay.
Who the heck are you?
Is it 10 o'clock right
I'm the guy
now?
who does his job. You must be the other guy.
We'll get up tomorrow early
To bed.
kasi magpapa-beauty.
Want a new Taiwan anytime in this century, they better shape up and show me $1 million.
我你即刻要用一啲核彈揸去台灣，你即刻攞100萬。
Meron ko yan. I think, is that 8%?
No!
One guy,
Hindi yan no alcohol, uy.
items,
0.5, I
and
think.
the other guy
I don't think
1.5?
pays him.
0.5 or 0.8. I don't think this 8%
No
crime.
tipping.
Lasing tayo niyan.
Meron yan. Ilan yung alcohol percentage yan?
Siri, turn off.
Meron nandiyan yan sa bote.
錢
Go ahead, Fitz.
我吩咐你啊，你check 一 check 啊。
Alcohol 5%. Product of Italy.
Ano ito? Moscato. Moscato di Asi. Paborito ko talaga yung ano,
Siri,
Moscato.
turn off light. Flashlight.
Please tell me those cars aren't empty.
Yeah.
Please tell me that those cars are empty.
Alright, we're just gonna go enjoy our wine. We'll see you again tomorrow morning. Bye-bye!
Still more clear, even at
So, ito yung leftover namin sa restaurant. Coleslaw, french fries, tapos wine.
about Evlist for eczema.
Whiny.
Consumer reports
Masarap na yung tulog namin nito mamaya. Diba?
survey
Hi everyone! So, andito naman na kami sa Ogonquit, Maine. Isa ito din sa lugar dito na marirecommend ko talaga na maganda rin. So, yan ang fire department ng Ogonquit dito. Ayun o, dayo, may beach doon. Ganda ha. Sa Ogonquit Museum. Day, para siya day sa ano day, sa Oregon. Okay, let's go down there. Okay, let's go. Hello. Hi, you're such a kitty one.
You can say hi if you want.
Oh, really?
Oh, yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Zuzu. And Ruby has the red
They're
collar.
so friendly.
This is Sue?
Zuzu.
Zuzu? Is it a boy and girl?
Girls.
Oh, thank you for patting you.
Thank you so much.
Oh, di ba ang ganda? Saan ba tayo nagpunta doon daw sa? In the garden? Dapat pala nag-shoes ako. Nakachinelas lang ako. They have lots of hotel. Uy! Ang ganda. It's pretty. Oh, di ba? Oh. Oh my gosh. Look. So doon, beach yun doon. Ang ganda. Oh man. Sino? Aw, ako ba? O, i-zoom natin ang konti doon. Tadan! Oh. Oh, yung swimsuit ko nandoon na sa ano eh. Probably. Ang ganda dito. Pagpabalik na lang tayo mag-picture-picture na. Ang Day, in fairness, ang ganda dito sa Maine. Ang ganda niya talaga. Pasensya na po kayo. Mainis na kayo sa boses ko. Pero ang ganda talaga dito. More on nature siya. Look, oh. Mga flowers. Oh, di ba? Marami talaga nakikita dito sa Maine, no? Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Uy! Oh, di ba? Magpa-picture tayo mamaya. Mamaya pag-uwi. Ay, dahil may pa.
Ha, pag gusto pala nila mag-beach doon. Diba? Mag-swimming ka? Mag-swimming ka dahil nakaano ka. Swimsuit. Ayan, we're here. We're here at restaurant. Hello.
Look at this breakfast. Yummy.
Ay, look at this. Looks good dayo.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Look, there's a lot of blueberry. Yan yung view doon. Isa, agad yung isa. Kasi, hindi naman mga itsura namin na naman. Kung saan na naman kami napapadpad. Alam mo, maganda kasi yung walang mga plano-plano. Kasi, basta kung saan-saan ka na lang ba napapadpad, di ba? Yun ang challenge. Ayan na. Magbe-beach na kami. Magbe-beach na kami. Ako na It's in the bag. Hindi ah. Huwag na. Maligo ka. Hindi ako marunong maglangoy. Oh, di ba? Akalain mo magbe-beach din pa kami. Ito yung Ogonquit Beach. Oh. Yes. It's so nice. So pretty. Oh, ayan. Doon kami kumain ng breakfast. Ano? Masarap magpaa. pulis. Bawal daw. Oh, my dove dun, oh. Ah! Ang sarap! Aray ko. Oh. Nasermonan tuloy ako ng nanay ko. Kasi, ang dami ko nung arte. May dala naman talaga akong swimsuit. Kaso, naligo na ako eh. Ready na akong pauwi na rin kasi kami. Hindi namin alam na may beach pala din dito sa Ogonquit na kala namin kakain lang kami ng breakfast. Pero nag-decide yung isa na swimming daw kuno siya.
Lamig, di ba?
Tignan nyo yung isa na nahimik na. Mahina yan sa lamig. Tignan nyo naman. Aha. Ano, gitugnaw ka na?
27,000.
Tapos na siya mag-swimming. Ulo ko may dove. Dove ba yan o seagull? Alright, so tapos na kaming mag-beach at mag-picture-picture. Ngayon, pauwi na kami sa Ohio. So far, nakaka-enjoy talaga. Ay, ang sarap lang magbakasyon ng magbakasyon. Alright, everyone. Thank you so much. I'll see you later. Bye-bye. So ayan, dito kami kakain sa Hapag Bistro. So, pauwi na kami. Dumayo kami dito sa Albany, New York. Parang kumain ng Filipino food. Oh my goodness. Mga... Ayan. Yan ang restaurant nila. May YouTube kayo, ate? Oh, oh sige. Magla-like ako doon. Ay, ate, gusto ko ito. Gusto ko ito, Pilipinong-Pilipino talaga, oh. Oh, di ba? Ang cute. Ang cute ng kubeta. Ganyan talaga tayo, di ba? Ayun, oh. Di ba, Day? Picturean kita doon, Day. Talagang Pilipinong-Pilipino ba? I love it.